Traveling can be a bit complicated, right? So many rules, so many things to check off before you even board the plane. No matter how often you travel, you probably find yourself double-checking to make sure you're following all the guidelines for a smooth, stress-free trip. Today, I'm answering one of the most common questions: can you use a backpack as a carry-on? First, let's see what airlines consider a carry-on. A carry-on is a bag you bring on the plane, usually smaller than a checked suitcase. It's stored either in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. People use all sorts of bags, from duffels to rolling suitcases. But what about a backpack? The answer is yes, you can use a backpack as your carry-on, but it depends on the airline's weight and size restrictions. Most airlines in the US allow carry-ons up to 22 by 14 by 9 inches. In volume, that's about 20-40 liters. However, some airlines have smaller size limits. Personal items versus carry-on. Wondering if a backpack can be your personal item instead? A personal item should fit under the seat in front of you. If your backpack is small enough to fit, then it's good to go. Just remember, you can bring a backpack as both your carry-on and personal item, as long as one is small enough to go under the seat. Backpack versus suitcase versus duffel bag. So, which is better, a backpack, suitcase, or duffel bag? Backpacks offer flexibility, multiple pockets, and easy mobility. Great for running through airports or navigating rough streets. Suitcases, on the other hand, keep your clothes wrinkle-free, and they're easy to roll around, perfect for business trips. Duffel bags are spacious and great for casual trips. Ask yourself, will you be walking a lot? Are you staying in one place or moving around? Is safety or comfort your main concern? Final words. So, should you bring a backpack as a carry-on? Absolutely. It's versatile, easy to pack, and can make your travels more convenient. Just double-check your airline guidelines and make sure your backpack meets the size and weight restrictions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.